just arrived in somewhere in the Lake District. I can't remember where I am, but it's somewhere near the space of Helvellyn. I've just driven, oh, it's just turned off, but yeah, you go 358 miles, 7 hours, pretty tiring. But I got the itch to do a hike, a winter hike. So I finished work, it's Friday, it's the 3rd of January today, so I finished work at 5 and then literally just drove all the way up here. So it's now 10:30 at night. This will also be my first time sleeping in my car. Essentially the plan is to sleep in my car until like 2 hours before sunrise, and then I'm going to try and head up to Helvellyn, I'm not sure how to say it, for sunrise. I don't think I'm going to get cloud inversions. I don't think I'm going to get like clear skies. I think it's going to be snowing and the weather's not going to be great, but you know, you can't plan these things. I just needed to get out, so we'll see what the weather's like, and then yeah, come back down. I've also brought all my wild camping bits, so if the weather permits and if the land looks good, I think I'm going to camp at the Red Tarn. I've only ever wild camped once in the Lake District, and that was with a friend, so this will be a new experience for me. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get dressed for the hike like now, and like put my warm clothes on, and then probably get under my sleeping bag and try and sleep. I don't know if I feel like a homeless person, but yeah, I'll see you in the morning.
Good morning. It's 4:45. I didn't really sleep at all. I'm gonna get dressed and start heading up.
Good morning, and we're off. Yeah, I didn't really sleep very well, as to be expected. Maybe like an hour and a half, but like in 20-minute segments. I parked under a tree, thinking, oh, if it's gonna snow, then my car won't be covered in snow. But then it meant that, because it was raining, all the raindrops was like landing really heavy. And it was landing really heavy on the car, and it kept waking me up. So, but I feel excited. The floor is like frozen, so I'm like slipping everywhere already. So probably won't be doing too much talking to the camera while it's dark, because I don't want to fall. But yeah, I'll let you know how I get on. So far it's been pretty easy. It's just dark, obviously. So just minding my step a bit, because yeah, I don't want to fall off that, do I? You can just about see the sun starting to rise. I've done about half the elevation, but yeah, I thought it'd be lighter by now. I'm kind of concerned that I'm going to get to Striding Edge. I'm not going to be able to see anything, so I'm slowing the pace down a little bit. That, and I'm ridiculously out of shape, so I'm struggling a bit. I'm nearly at the top. I'm in the mountains now, I can tell. The way up here was pretty easy. I got lost a little bit at the start. I went the wrong way, and it was really boggy. But now I'm up high, it's just like dry snow, so it's perfect really. Beat the sun a little bit. I was kind of hoping, since there's not much visibility at all. So I'm going to get essentially to start Striding Edge, whatever it's called, and then have a little break, wait for a bit more visibility, and then get it done. I'm debating whether or not I should put my spikes on snow's not that deep. And it's rock underneath, so it's not like the studs will go into grass. I think on the way down they'll be useful. It's just when it gets to this striding edge, I don't know if the grip of the rock, and then the jagged spike will just, I don't know, where I've not used them before. I think I'd rather be familiar with my own footing, but the visibility looks shit. If it's like double sketchy, I won't do it, I'll turn around, but everybody will do it. We'll see. My first little summit. Oh. Woo! Look at that. Still got all this to do, but man, what a view. What a view. Just stunning. Look at that. A lucky boy. Alright. Grieval slip-on spikes. I've got this little pad to sit on as well, which is saved my ass big time. Yeah, they feel alright to walk in, I guess. Look at this. Sun's come up proper now. Stunning. Looks like the ridge is clearing a little bit, so I'm going to crack on, make the most of it while I can. But yeah, very happy to be here. This is sick. These crampons are helping a lot. Well, micro spikes and not crampons. Yeah, I feel very confident, very comfortable up here. This is great. Good progress. I mean, look at that sunrise. I know I'm talking a lot, but I'm having a great time, so just allow me. Just making sure that I keep checking my Garmin for the GPS, because when I did Crib Got in Snowdonia, it weren't even snowing then, and I kept going the wrong way because you get your head down and you just try and keep getting over the different obstacles and that, and you end up going right off path. So luckily I've loaded the ALLTRAILS GPS data onto my Garmin and it's like tracking it pretty well, so I feel much more confident being up here with that than if I just had it on my phone, because you have to keep getting your phone out to check. But I think that's most of the like scrambly, traversey stuff done. I just don't really know where it goes now. Tell you what, these spikes give you such a sense of security when you're placing your footholds, like especially on an angle like that. You know, I feel confident that my foot can take that weight because I've got these metal spikes sticking out. So just made my way down this. It's pretty sketchy. Could probably done with an ice axe for some of it. I had really shitty holds, but yeah, it was alright. Now I kind of got to get up this somehow. It looks like the path isn't really a path, so I'm probably just going to wing it. I thought I was done with all the inclines, but clearly not. I didn't bring any like electrolytes or anything. I've been sweating crazy, so I'm knackered. I'm saving a chocolate bar for the top, so we'll have that. The snow is super deep up here. It's about a foot deep. I guess because there's no wind protection, I'm just getting blown around, but done it, pretty much. I'll take it. A little bit more, a little bit more. And we're done. How's that? Perfect timing. As the summit cloud starts coming. Yeah, I need to get down before it gets a bit crazy. Celebratory birthday cake protein bar. They are nice. Oh, it's frozen. Yeah, it's not as nice when it's frozen. Damn. Right, that better be the top. Pretty sure that was the last lane, right? That one there. So it should all be downhill from here, which is good because I'm done. I'm getting cramps and stuff. I've sort of been bombing my way down this flatter section on the way down, but it's so pretty. Just pick your head up. The bushes, quite a nice path. I've crossed quite a few streams and rivers. And look at that. I've probably said look at that 20 times in this video, but you get my point. My knees are pretty done, so I think I'm definitely going to write off the camp tonight. I just don't have the energy, and by the time I get back to my car and refresh and, you know, refuel and shit, it's gonna be too dark. So I'll take my one little blessings day with this sunshine. It was meant to be cloudy and raining and horrible, and I've had the best day, so I'll take that all day long. And the last few steps, we're just making our way down now, back into town. We're back. Well, sort of back. Got back to the car. I'm so cold. But that was amazing. That was it's brilliant. So I think now my plan is I'm just going to go to Keswick, whatever. Get some food, do a bit of shopping, mooch around for a bit, and then just drive home. I'm very lucky with the weather, and I don't think we're going to be lucky again, so I'm not going to chance it tonight. I've had more than enough adventure, so very very happy with today. So yeah, gonna head to town, just checking out this Ullswater. I'm pretty sure I just pulled over. It's so beautiful. England in winter, like proper England, is just next level.